It is not easy for people to start yoga, and there's a large barrier to entry, largely because people are intimidated by it. I have been practicing yoga for about 15 years. I'm Raj Perkash. I'm a physician. I think common misconceptions about yoga are that it is for people who have a specialized interest in something unusual. And in fact, it's the opposite, which is yoga is useful for essentially 100% of people after they become an adult. MyYogaTeacher would be one of the best ways to start and maintain yoga because it is both one-on-one. It allows you to really progress in a fashion that is linear and expected, because the instructors will coach you through a lot of these changes in a very meaningful way and do so quickly and efficiently. I really like how MyYogaTeacher has done a one-on-one model that has worked so well. I was pleasantly surprised that the instructors, even though they're in India live, in real time, are able to notice even subtle differences and subtleties through the camera that I didn't expect them to be able to do. With MyYogaTeacher, with the one-on-one instruction, people are able to dip their toe into yoga and then gradually walk into the pool, and in a seamless way that is almost unheard of in any other way, unless you had a yoga teacher come to your house. Yoga should be for everybody.